Metaverse, Metaverse, Metaverse. Everybody is talking about Metaverse today. But what the hell is this Metaverse? The CEO of Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg, has changed the name of his company, Facebook, from Facebook to Meta, and already investing $10 billion into Metaverse. The CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, believes that Metaverse is already here and transforming our lives from factory floors to the meeting rooms. In Metaverse, meta means beyond, and the word verse derives from the word universe. Together it means a virtual world that lies beyond the real universe. In Metaverse, an avatar is created which can be accessed by us on behalf of us by sitting anywhere around in the world. It will allow us to be present anywhere in the world without being present in real. In simple words, it will help us to stay connected virtually with our friends, family, relatives, loved ones, office colleagues, and even with fans anywhere in the world without leaving our home. That means even if you are living maybe thousands of kilometers away from your loved ones, your friends, your family, or office colleagues, but still you can enjoy watching TV, movies, playing games, and having important discussions with your team too without being present physically at that places. But still you will be feeling that you are already with these people like the physical world. In upcoming 10 years, Metaverse will transform our education, medication, personal fitness, gaming, traveling, jobs, social events and advertisements, shopping, creative designing, entertainment and social interactions completely. Number 1, education. Now, without just relying on the books or object images or pre-designed 2D or 3D animation classes, students will be now using visual reality and augmented reality that will turn learning into fun and entertainment. It will literally improve the quality of the education. And this entire thing will be done by using Metaverse. Number 2, medication. COVID-19 pandemic has opened up a new avenue of virtual medical consultation. Though the concept of telemedicine was not new in fact, but still somewhere its application was not so realistic. But now it is going to change completely. Doctors will be available through Metaverse, and both doctors and patient will be feeling the physical presence of each other. This time it will be more realistic and it will stop the outspreading of contagious diseases too. Number 3, personal fitness. Every one of us know that workouts and exercise are important in life to stay healthy and fit. Sometimes we started with full of enthusiasm but can't keep this momentum going for long. By using Metaverse, you would be able to stay with your friends during the exercise and can start racing, competing, and can make the exercise entertaining and full of fun. Number 4 is gaming. By using Metaverse and its underlying technology like AR and VR, playing games is likely to be more interactive, realistic, and full of fun. And by implementing NFTs in the gaming, people can play and earn money. If you want me to make a separate video on NFTs, how it works and how it can impact our life like Metaverse, kindly type "I want NFTs" in the comment box. Number 5 is traveling. Suppose you are an aged person, you don't have enough money to go around the world, or you are somehow physically challenged and cannot go to your exotic locations. Don't worry, Metaverse will solve this problem for you. Through this Metaverse, you can travel anywhere in the world, even beyond the earth, and can experience the same pleasure of traveling without traveling to those places physically, just by paying some few dollars to your virtual tour operators. So your world tour dream no longer remain just a dream. It will be fulfilled by Metaverse. Number 6 is job. Through this Metaverse, the meetings, conferences, job interviews, engineering works in the factories, and even the flight controlling also can be transformed into virtual reality, resulting much transparency in understanding of the related subject. Number 7, social events and advertisements. In the field of virtual reality and metaverse gaming platforms like Decentraland or Earth 2.0 people can buy and own their own virtual lands that they can later develop by using digital objects and can somehow either can use to organize the virtual art exhibitions or can sell or rent it to any video game developer. And where most of the people and their virtual avatars will be gathering, advertisers will seek a golden chance to promote their products. Number 8 application of Metaverse is in the field of shopping. The nature of shopping has already changed nowadays, and around the world it is transforming from physical to digital. In coming 5 years, it will be transforming again from digital to virtual. Thanks to Metaverse, you don't have to visit any shopping malls. Our virtual avatars will be reaching there within fraction of seconds and will be influencing our buying behaviors. Digital stores will be replacing the physical stores and trial rooms will no longer be needed anymore. Our digital avatars will be helping us to decide our dressing outfits. And after placing the order, this item will be delivered to the customer's place physically. Recently, Samsung has opened its official Metaverse store in Decentraland. Number 9 is creative designing. Designing required a lot of drawings, effort, time and cost. But the designing in Metaverse through AR and VR will solve this problem. Through Metaverse, designers will be more creative, that literally will be increasing their problem solving efficiency while designing. As in future, the designers are likely to be more realistic with 360-degree vision abilities, and moreover, through Metaverse, all the designers would be able to share the same Metaverse platform at the same time from anywhere in the world without being present physically. So from now onwards, no more offices, no extra travel cost, no house rent allowances, no issues with employee reallocation. Who knows, in future, instead of being feared about the inflation, we perhaps will be getting product and services at much cheaper and affordable prices. And at the end, number 10 is using of Metaverse in social networking and entertainment segment. If you are till now in this video, then it is very much clear what the Metaverse is all about. It is not only can solve the human real life problems, but it can entertain us too, and also can help us in social interactions. In Metaverse, we will be able to create our own avatars who will be able to talk to each other and exchange their ideas, thoughts and feelings with more realistic approach. And with the growing technology, if this early stage concept of Metaverse is migrated with touch sensors, we would be able to feel the human touch too. And through this touch sensor illusion, our future movies in the movie theaters or playing video games will be much more realistic than ever. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video.